Hello everyone, welcome to a new session on Introduction to Bioinformatics, Origin of Bioinformatics. Introduction of Bioinformatics. One of the fundamental principles in biology is that DNA contains genes, encodes RNA which produces proteins that regulates all the biological process in every organism. Human body made up of an estimate of 10 raised to 12 cells and 23 pairs of chromosomes in each of them. These chromosomes are carrying a total of 30,000 genes with 3 million pairs of DNA bases, and moreover our body contains more than 1000 proteins and each of them is assigned of different functions. And moreover, the amount of biological experiments and the outcomes are increasing day by day. For instance, the gene bank repository of nucleic acid sequences contained nearly 152,599,230,112 entries and around 165,740,164 protein sequence entries were reported in July 2013. In an average calculation, the number of these database entries is doubling in every 15 months. According to the EBI updates, another interesting fact is that the complete sequences for more than 200 organisms including archaea, bacteria and eukaryota have been published after the release of Haemophilus influenzae genome. There are lots of experiments going on using this information, so we can imagine the quantity and variety of information that is being produced. It is not possible to handle this large amount of data manually, so it is indispensable to have computers in this research area to handle with the abundance of data. Here is the origin of bioinformatics. It is nothing but the field of science in which biology, computer science and information technology merges to form a single discipline. It is the emerging field that deals with the application of computers to the collection, organization, analysis, manipulation and presentation and sharing of biological data to solve the problems in biology in a molecular level. According to Frank Tecchia, bioinformatics is the mathematical, statistical and computational method that aim to solve biological problems using DNA, amino acid sequence and related information. According to NCBI, bioinformatics is defined as: bioinformatics is the field of science in which biology, computer science and information technology merges to form a single discipline. There are 3 subdisciplines within bioinformatics: the development of new algorithms and statistics with which to access relationships among members of large data sets, the analysis and interpretation of various types of data including nucleotide and amino acid sequences, protein domains and protein structures, and the development and implementation of tools that enable efficient access and management of different types of information. According to Anthony Kerlavage, recently cited that an experimental laboratory can produce over 100 gigabytes of data a day with ease. So, this excess amount of data can be only handled with the help of bioinformatics methods for accessing and exchanging data with the incredible processing power of computers. In early 1970s, the accumulation of biological information were really large, and Pauline Hogweg recognized the importance of processing this huge amount of data. Hence, he introduced the name bioinformatics. The studies in the early days of bioinformatics are the formation of complex interaction structures and the evolution process. There were a lot of people who took part to make a stable base for bioinformatics. One important person among them is Dr. Margaret Oakley Dayhoff, who has been introduced by David Lippmann and known as the mother and father of bioinformatics. In fact, bioinformatics has been in existence for more than 30 years and is now middle aged.